Hey viewers, in this video I will guide you about AT&T All-Fi Hub. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Let's get started. Let's discuss its advantages. It's at just $55 per month. It is a budget-friendly option compared to many fibers. It needs no contracts. Enjoy internet service with no long-term commitments. There is no hidden fees. What you see is what you pay. No unexpected rate hikes. Let's see unlimited data options, stream, browse, and game without worrying about data caps or coverage charges. Just plug in, no professional installation needed. With advertised download speeds of 75 to 225 Mbps, it is suitable for daily internet use like streaming, Zoom calls, and web browsing. But it has some cons. Currently offered only in selective urban areas, so not everyone can access it. Since it runs on 5G, performance can vary depending on your location and signal strength. May not replace traditional cable or fiber if you rely on high-speed internet for large downloads or competitive gaming. Lacks major discount or bundles that some other providers offer. The AT&T All-Fi Hub is a solid choice for moderate internet users looking for a contract-free, easy-to-use and affordable internet solution. While it may not match the consistency of fiber or cable, it is a strong alternative for eligible households. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.